Morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Love 500, and welcome back to a quick how-to video. Broken fins on one of these. If the fins are broken and when you move the slide the fins don't move with it, there's an easy way to fix it, and I'm about to show you how to do that. Stereo has to come out, unfortunately, to get to it, because you've got two screws, one screw there and one screw there, which I've already removed. So let me quickly show you how we fix it. So if you've got broken vents on a Fiat 500 or an Abarth, as you may or may not be able to see in there, the vents that go from side to side are not going from side to side. They are on that one. Let me shine a torch in there, see if you can see. So you can see that the vents are going from side to side there. On this one, they are stuck. Can you see them? They're all pointing sideways. Now, it's easy to mend this. Let me show you how we do it. So first thing you do is you take out the Phillips screws that go in there. I would suggest using a magnetic screwdriver. Now, you can't do that without taking the stereo out. So you do need to get the stereo out. I'm not going to show you on this video how to get the stereo out. There are videos out there on the channel and on other channels as well that show you how to do that. If you want to know how to do it, click on the link above and it will take you to my channel, my video, but I'm going to show you how to fix these. So let's get this out. So what you do once you've got the screws out is you basically need to pull it, which can be difficult, but on this occasion it's come out quite easy. And as you can see, you've got two parts to it. Now, see where that tab is, the black tab? There's those tabs all the way around. So what you need to do is get a screwdriver in those tabs and gradually tease them out. Once you get it started, they'll come out quite easy. So let's get those out and then we'll show you how you do it. So there's not necessarily a best place to start, but I seem to find that the best place to start is probably on the end. So if you pull on that at the same time you're depressing that tab, you will eventually, depending on where you do it, we'll try it here, it will eventually start to come out, which it has there. There you go. Once you've got it started, it's easy. And then we move on to that one. There you go. And now that one. Try not to stab yourself if you can help it. Move around to the other side. There you go, it just pops off. There you go. Right, so that's that. Now, as you can see, as we saw in the car, that's pushed to one side. Now, they're not broken. They can break, but they're not broken. All it's done, someone has probably had a phone holder that they've used in this car, and it's just pushed it off. So what you do is you've got these little tabs on the back here. So these little tabs just have to line up. So what you do, get it around the right way, is you line up, get those in a straight line, and then those will go from side to side a little bit. These ones, let me show you, get cack-handed here. They will go from side to side. They don't necessarily have to be in the middle, but you need to line up as best you can. So you can look in there and see it. That one needs to move over a little bit there. That one needs to move over a little bit that way, and then once you've got those lined, push it back home, and that is it. That is now lined up, and that now goes left and right, and so does that one. That's it, fixed, simple as that. All you do is, as I've done there, is you just push it back into position, check they're working still, which they are, and then just put the screws back in, and that is it. Job done, simple as that. What a quick job that was. Hope that's been helpful. People have asked me for videos on this, so I hope it will prove useful for them and for some other people as well that will come and view this channel. We are in the middle of installing one of these as well, so if you want to see the video on that, hopefully that will already be published, so click on the link again above or at the end of this video and you can see the install on that as well. So that's it, that's that done. Thanks for watching, hope you've enjoyed it. Until the next one, take care, stay safe, and we will see you very soon.